Hello everyone, I'm Tilly Douglas from Visual Sense Crafts and I just wanted to show you my new handy dandy little drying station for my paints, my paint pours and my tiles, and it's a cot and I love it. It just works so well, and that's the side of the cot, and I've got these plywood boards which I got cut. So it was 2 sheets of plywood, 6mm plywood, and they cut it to size in B&Q. I think the American version of B&Q is Lowe's, from what I can make out, from what people say about Lowe's. So there's a couple of spare sheets there in case I want to put more shelves in. So you can put them, obviously you can move these shelves where you want them. So if you want them closer together or further apart. But I just love it. I think it's just so clever. Such a good idea. Clever idea, but not my idea. So these are all dried paintings, but they've still got some curing to go. So I've got them in here curing. Nice little ring pour. Look at the beautiful shine on that. It's lovely, isn't it? So I just think it's so clever, and I've got that shelf is my testing shelf, so I've got different recipes that I'm testing out and get them drying in here, so it's my tester shelf. And there's all my tiles, all curing in there. And at the bottom is my little dog Bobby. Bobby! Hello, baby. Good girl. Say hello. Hello. Good girl. She's a little cutie. So at the bottom, get down there. Good girl. At the bottom here, I've got my ceramic tiles that I've gessoed, and I've just put them on these slide out. So just a plank of wood on the top. That's a bit of mermaid board, so I could just slide them in and out. Another one at the bottom. Look out, Bobs. Good girl. So all nicely accessible, and I just think it's such a good idea. I love it. I absolutely love it. See, it's a good job they're not wet paintings with Bobby in it. So all I've got to do is I've got to cut these legs off. Because otherwise I'm going to keep cracking my head on there. At the moment I'm using this one for my blue roll because it's quite handy to have on there, just rip off. But I just love it. I think it's such a neat idea, and I can get loads and loads of paintings in there. So I'm really happy with that. So if you're looking for an area where you can put your paintings to dry, think about a cot. I'm also going to make a tarp sort of cover for it, so if I'm doing the resin and anything and I want to keep flies and bits of dust and stuff off, let's do a cover so it goes over the whole top and then covers the whole area, so keep all the bits and the buggies, the bugs and the dust and the dog hairs, keep it all off there. So I think that'll work nicely. So neat idea, eh? A cot, who would have thought that? So there's my spare shelves to go on there. So if I need to put some more on, I can put them closer together and put some more in. So, tip of the day, a cot for your drying area. Hope it helps. Bye for now. Loves you.